My customers mean everything to me. So it's really, really important that everything in this space runs super smoothly. And that's from when they walk in the door to using our restrooms, that there's no confusion. They know exactly where they're supposed to go. And with the indicator locks, they know exactly the status of each restroom at all times. My name is Stacy McFall. I own a coffee shop in Charlotte, North Carolina called Madison Perk Coffee Bar. We serve coffee and we also have a cocktail bar and we are a music venue. So our goal is to bring the community together for various events, community-driven initiatives. We work with everybody. We were having challenges with our restroom doors. Number one, they weren't locking properly, and that was a big issue where people were just walking in on other people. And then the other issue we were having is that people didn't know when they were occupied, so they would jiggle at the door and cause every head to turn in the place, and it was just really uncomfortable for everybody. Now that we have the indicator lock, it is super easy to use. When you go into the restroom, you just push one button. There's no complicated turning or wondering if it actually works. It really gives a sense of privacy for the person using the restroom. They don't have to worry about somebody walking in on them or somebody knocking and yelling at them, seeing if they're done yet. These locks are sturdy. They get a lot of use, a lot of people coming and going, and you know that they're going to hold up to all of the traffic. I'd recommend these locks to any small business or commercial property.